Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, which features the brightest colors on YouTube in the form of swatches, reviews and makeup tutorials. If you're not a subscriber yet, then please consider becoming one, especially if you love color. If you're my subscriber, then thank you so much for your continuous support. And the item that I want to go into today is a part of the new MAC Oh Sweetie collection. This smells so nicely, loves. It smells delicious. It smells like a lime lemon meringue tart. I'm just so hungry right now. I guess I will be every time I put this on, but it's totally worth it. The scent is amazing. So anyway, this is a collection which is full of colorful lipsticks, or as I would rather call them, lip creams, and I will show you why. And they're all scented as different sweets. And let us go to the swatching! Yay! This is how the product looks on its own without anything applied underneath. It is bright, vibrant, very pigmented and almost fully opaque. It is lovely to wear by itself, but I also want to show you some more fun and creative ways of how you can wear this lip cream differently. With a blue lip liner. On top of purple. As part of an ombre with another lip cream. Layered with pink. As part of an ombre with a liquid lipstick. Which idea did you like most? Please comment. My personal favorite, I think, is this green color for today because it really made the lime color pop. You can obviously make all kinds of color combos. These were just some ideas that I have. I'm sure that I'll come up with many more combos that you will be able to find on my Instagram. And I will now comment on the formula. Why I called this product a lip cream at first is because it is most similar to NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream, where the term I think is very accurate because, to be honest, it's something in between a lipstick and a lip gloss, a very pigmented lip gloss. So this Oh Sweetie collection lipsticks won't dry down to matte, they won't be smudge proof, they will be almost opaque, maybe just a tiny bit slightly transparent, and they will be very hydrating, aside from having an amazing smell. But anyway, they definitely aren't long lasting, meaning the color doesn't go away, but the lipstick does smudge, it will fade if you eat or drink. But this also gives you tons of way of using this product, like I just showed you. You can use it on top of a liquid lipstick, you can use it on top of a lip pencil or with a lip contour. You can obviously also use it by itself. You can use it with a similar product like NYX Cosmic Metals lip cream to make a nice ombre. This entirely depends on what you like most. For example, if your liquid lipstick is slightly drying, which is the problem that I regularly have, this is your life-saving device, actually, this collection, especially if you love a pop of color. You can put this Oh Sweetie lipsticks in the center to get a nice ombre lip, and at the same time your lips won't feel dry anymore. So for me, this collection is definitely a yes, yes, oh yes. I like the lime color most of all, but there were many beautiful colors For example, there was an iridescent pink with violet sheen, very beautiful. I might end up getting it someday. Anyway, the only color hue I think they're really lacking is purple, because there are purplish pinks, there are mauves, but no true purple. That's a minus for me, because purple is my favorite color. But luckily they do have two very unusual colors, like this lime and a very bright blue. So guys, please check out this collection. I'm sure you will love the colors. The formula is, in my opinion, gorgeous, and the only case when you won't like this formula is if you only wear smudge proof and long-lasting lipsticks. In this case, the Oh Sweetie collection is not for you. I truly hope, guys, that I gave you all the useful information in this review. If I did, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video and on my Instagram. Bye bye, loves!